Every little town where the river dams, the dance hall waits as the day descends. Boots shuffle in the old wood floor, hearts collide and yearn for more. The band tunes up and the lights grow dim, couples sway ready on a whim. Fiddles play and the steel guitar echoes sweet beneath the Texas star. Two-step, round and round, kick up dust on sacred ground. Love spark in every glance at the country dance hall romance. Lucy May with her dress so red, Tommy Joe in his hat and thread. They catch a glimpse and start to smile. Two-step brings them down the aisle. Old Joe sits by the bar with pride, watching young love by his side. He recalls when he was young, every night a song was sung. Laughter fills the smoky air, spinning around without a care. Boots and heels in perfect time, to the rhythm sweet and fine. Maggie Sue with her curls so tight, Hank comes by to hold her tight. In each step they feel the beat of hearts that never miss a beat. Two-step, round and round, kick up dust on sacred ground. Love spark in every glance at the country dance hall romance. Whiskey flows and tales are told of love that's young and hearts that's bold. Cowboys lean against the wall, dreaming big but feeling small. The jukebox hums an old refrain of love and loss and cowboy pain. Couples twirl and dance along, lost in time and country song. Sarah's eyes are shining bright in the glow of the neon light. Johnny whispers soft and slow in her ear where dreams will grow. Grandma's watching from her chair, memories of when she was there. Her love long gone, spirit stays in the steps of the younger days. Dusty boots and leather reins, love's alive in these remains. Echoes of a simpler time, in the beat their hearts entwine. Barn doors creak with every breeze, music flows like whispering trees. Stars above and lights below, in this dance their stories flow. Two-step, round and round, kick up dust on sacred ground. Love spark in every glance at the country dance hall romance. Red bandana, blue jeans tight, cowboy hat under the night. He takes her hand, they start to sway in the magic of this day. Cattle calls in summer's heat find their way to dancing feet. Twisting, turning side by side, in each other's arms they glide. The night is young, the hour late, in the dance they find their fate. Melodies that warm the soul, in the rhythm they are whole. Lonesome nights and morning dew, promises that feel brand new. Underneath the silver moon, hearts that find a sweet commune. Down the road the stories spread, a love that lived in words unsaid. Legends born in every song, nights that felt so right, not wrong. Sammy's laugh and Katie's cheer fill the air and draw them near. Every night the same old place, and each one finds a new embrace. Two-step, round and round, kick up dust on sacred ground. Love spark in every glance at the country dance hall romance. Crickets sing the soft refrain, joining in the dancer's chain. Harmony that never dies in the lover's tender sighs. Sweat and laughter, tears and joy, from the young to the old cowboy. Tales of yore and dreams anew, in the dance the stories grew. Polished wood beneath their feet, every turn a chance to meet someone new or someone old. Every step a story told. to the plains, echoes of their heartfelt strains, songs of love and life unfold in the stories they've been told. Chasing dreams and holding tight in the warmth of the neon light, promises that last till dawn. In this dance they carry on. Billy Ray and Susie Ann find a love that truly can. In the steps they glide so free, in their hearts eternity stay. Two step, round and round, kick up dust on sacred ground. Love spark in every glance at the country dance hall romance. The old clock ticks, time moves slow, but in this hall they never know, for the moments last so long in the heart of country song. Echoes of the past remain in steps of joy and pain, generations hand in hand in the dance they understand. The smell of pine and old perfume fills the air and lights the room. Every twirl and every spin, a new chapter does begin. Guitars strumming, voices rise to the night and to the skies. Every heart that beats in time with the song they find their rhyme. Daisy's laughing, Bobby's grin, reminding where they've all been. In the dance they find their way to the trees of yesterday. Moonlight through the window shines on the love in every line, but the faces young and old in the stories they've been told. Two step, round and round, kick up dust on sacred ground. Love spark in every glance at the country dance hall romance. Two step, round and round, kick up dust on sacred ground. Love spark in every glance at the country dance hall romance. The night goes on, the music plays in the hearts of those who sway to the rhythm, pure and true, in the love that they pursue. Faded boots and worn out souls carry dreams and hidden goals. In each step they find their voice, in this dance they make their choice. Candles flicker, shadows cast on the memories of the past. Every song sweet embrace, in the dance they find their place. Soft and slow, fast and wild, in the dance they're reconciled. Every movement tells a tale of a heart that will prevail. Beneath the stars, beneath the light, every wrong turns into right. In the dance they come alive, with every step they survive. Hearts collide, stories blend, in the dance they find their friend. In the rhythm, in the beat, every story's complete. Two step, round and round, kick up dust on sacred ground. Love sparking every glance at the country dance hall romance. Cowboys cowgirls side by side, in the dance they find their pride. In the love that never fades, in the steps their hearts have made.